We will introduce the machine, main configuration and machine size. Firstly, the machine size is 600 millimeters in y-axis and 900 millimeters in x-axis. You can see for the control system, it's a radar control system. And for the working table, this is a combined working table. You can see this is the honeycomb working table above the blade working table. Below the honeycomb working table is blade working table. Because different material requires different different table to process. Then you could choose the favorite, the suitable working table according to different material. Now this is a laser head, and this machine has a function of autofocus red dot point function, and also there is a main function of up-down working table. The table could move upward and could move up and down. You can adjust the up-down distance of the working table according to the thickness of the material. For example, if the processing material thickness is very thick, then you can down the working table to adjust the distance between the laser head and the surface of the working table. And this machine also has a big window for easy operation. We can watch the working process, the whole working process through the window. And when the machine start working, we have to close the window because there is a switch. There is a protection switch. If we don't close the window, then the machine will alarm. This is the main function, main configuration. And for the transmission, this is the step motor driving system. And this is the driver. There are 3 drivers, you can see. This is the control cabinet, the high quality electrical parts. And this is the plug. This is for lamp switch. And this is the PC connection, and this is for U-disk connection, and this is for the cable connect internet line, connect the machine with the computer control software. This software is this. For this machine, the laser tube is ZC laser tube. The kilowatt is 80. This is for electrical plugs. This is the manpower. This is the accessories, main accessories. Air pump, air fan to collect the dust, and the water pipe. The water pump for water cooling circulation. Below the working table, there is a dust collection drawer. We can put it out to collect the processed material, processed objects. That's all.